Alright guys, looks like our sponsor sent us a little package, so maybe we can get our Outcast going and see what else we got going on. This is from China Hobby Line. Let's see, I sent us some samples for our sponsorship program. Not sure which ones I ended up getting. Yeah, that's cool. So some of them are the 14.8 4 SPs, 6600 moss beans connector. Should have 2 of these for our. Let's see what else we got in here. A little bit. And then we also got these in, which are 492S, 240C burst, 140 max of 5C charge, so you only go to 5 in the posts. So these are nice. These are going to fit in. Hopefully they fit nice in the MFOs, and we're going to try this out on our DT as well. So I want to thank my sponsor. Make sure you check the link below. There's a new sale just went out today. I think it's like buy $200 and you get 50 off. Buy $100 you get 20 off. I'll put a link in the description and all that, but I want to thank them. These are the kinds of things that without sponsors I wouldn't be able to do half of it. This is the first battery we've gotten to run our new rig that's proper, so we'll get this out. We'll try 4S and 8S on our 8S Outcast. Get that out later. So this is just a quick unbox and to thank CNHL tool, so they all come packed like that. Pretty cool. Now Mike over at RCRX, this guy turned me on to these guys. This is the first time I've used them, but I've only heard good things, so got 2 of those with leads. They come with leads. Looks like a charging port or a thermal port, one or the other. Yeah, charging port. Pretty cool. These are all supposed to be high C rated. Yeah, 120C. So that should be monster. 120C with a 240 burst. That's cool. Should be able to pop some good speed runs with those. Anyways, like and subscribe, guys, and make sure you check them out because they take care of me. So I need you guys to take care of them. So these are the hard case. They have a white soft case as well. It's a little more cost effective. Or a little cheaper, a little less expensive, but it's also a lower C rating. I think they're only like 90. These are 120s. So we'll get them out, get them charged, and see what happens. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Peace.